Alright guys, you're watching this, you just got done watching me doing a quick fix, and I'm trying to beat the raindrops, test out these shocks, the fix and rip. We got our new option number 1. Man, you see the raindrops falling on this? Pretty crappy. Yeah, we're gonna run anyways. It's gonna be one of them years, I think. Raindrops every time you're turning around. Which is okay. Get it rolling quick. We'll take it. It means I don't gotta water it all. But this is the first option number 1. I like to call these the big bores, or poor man's big bore. Those wires. What's going on, we'll just run it 2-wheel, testing the shocks, create most of my own issues, so I probably did something. But 2-wheel drive DF03, you ever seen one of those? So we got new gears and bearings coming next. Looks like it's gonna start pissing good, so we'll get our Desert Gator on the bench next if this doesn't work out. What the heck? I literally just charged this guy. Oh, I haven't much luck today with this guy. Plenty of power. What do they get for trying to go fast? Well, I hope everybody had a great holiday. Sorry, I'm just getting my sea legs. Shocks are doing their job though, and I'm just testing the shocks, so they're a little bit bouncy. I might have to lighten the oil a little bit. These are stock, the way they come. But I am running 2-wheel though, so it's really not a fair. We'll get an actual 2-wheel drive out later, not so front heavy. DTO2, I think it's alright. It is greasy out, guys, too, so. Ooh. Okay. That's enough. I think there's something wrong with that battery. It did have some funny wear on it. Escaped it. It's warm. Anyways, not bad at all. We'll get her back on the bench and tinker around a little bit, figure out what's going on with our two-wheel drive action. It didn't do that when I put it away last time, so wondering if I tinkered a screw down or something. These dips are funny. I like the way LC did that over these guys. But anyways, like and subscribe, guys. See you when I see you. Well, guys, I figured out what it was. It was pretty silly. So I took the cap off of that, which is 5 screws, and the set pin in the gear diff, it had fallen out when I put the silver screws in. So it's going to be a real quick fix, and then we'll be on to the desert gator. So I'll leave the video footage in. You probably just got done watching me just putzing around on the track before it started pouring again. It's gonna be pouring a lot, so I ain't gonna get much running video. Just rain all day today, which ruins all my plans. So, but as I'm talking, I'm just about done fixing it. So I did replace all the screws in this with the silver hex, or take whatever they call them, the stainless hex. But we're almost back together. This should be all set now. Once I get these on there. So hopefully if I get a few less raindrops today, I'll get back out there. Just gonna put one of these in just to make sure this works. Maybe I shouldn't let it go. That's a noise I don't like. They're all loose. Again, we are getting new bearings and gears really soon. Winter's Evening sent us the ceramic ones. Now we bought this kit, the ceramic kit, and it's coming. It's a $75 kit. I'm not expecting that from them. He made it for me, so and the kit will be in the link once they show up, and we'll do a video on it. Okay, I think we got it. Just had to get them tight. So with any luck, I'll get another video. And in this week, we can get this tested out. That noise does not sound right. Holy crap. That doesn't sound right at all. Anyways, this might be a video in itself. But the two wheels fixed. I might have broke something else in the meantime though. I haven't had this fully apart yet. Been kind of waiting for bearings and whatnot, but I'm sure you're supposed to take this shock tower off first, but I'm in a curious mindset. I'm not waiting. It's the one way, I think. Oh, the screw think it's this screw here. I don't think it's the gear. Yep, look at that. So these screws are too long and they were binding. Now I didn't put those screws in, I just tightened them. I went through and tightened all these. So keep that in mind, these screws can go all the way through. It's not as big a deal on this side, but right here, they're right over the gear housing. Yep, all better. So like and subscribe, guys. I'll get her buttoned up and we'll call it a day. That's at the end of this video today. So we got the gear sorted. You saw that, and I'm going to end with this quick little run video. Success. I like ending on a win. I'll try and do that more often. Oh, so much better. I'm not going to worry about the body because this is just going to be a quick one. Okay, that's the way it's supposed to be. Might cut that other video up a little more. So once we get the new gears in, I think the upgrades will be complete. Gears and bearings. So our total cost on this is, we spent more on, it's $25 for these big bores. Well, what I call option number ones in my world are the only options. I can't afford Tamiya shocks other than the CVAs, but CVAs are about 20 bucks. And these, really, I had the same, these are the same shocks for the TT02B. So I could have stole them off of that for this. But I wanted dedicated shocks because this is probably going to be Lauren's rig in the end. She really likes driving it. Oh, she is nice. And guys, I'm not, it's still slippery, so I'm not trying to go nutty on this. And it is a new track, lots of new obstacles. Exclusive. I got your message there about the coping or the PVC. I'm going to definitely, it's a great idea down below. And I can move that all the time, so it's easy move. So right where the car is now, we might put a PVC going to like here, so that you got an outside and an inside. Oh, that's so cool. Now I'm not overly impressed with this Futaba servo. Its turning radius is crap, but it could be the, I'm not sure it's not just the way this car is. Well, that's that. At least it's a win. I can't win on a win. Oh, but a bolt's no big deal. I just hope I didn't even lose it. Don't want to lose my Tamiya hardware. This stuff's expensive. Alright, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you when I see you.